Here's some double entry accounting trivia. Subscribe. Who developed the concept of double entry accounting? Is it A. Ptolemy, B. Luca Pacioli, C. Adam Smith, or D. Aristotle? The correct answer is B. Luca Pacioli. What term refers to systematic record-keeping in accounting? Is it A. financial analysis, B. data entry, C. records management, or D. bookkeeping? The correct answer is D. bookkeeping. What principle states that accounting must be objective? Is it A. optimism principle, B. neutrality principle, C. subjectivity principle, or D. bias principle? The correct answer is B. neutrality principle. What document shows a company's revenues and expenses? Is it A. annual report, B. balance sheet, C. income statement, or D. cash flow statement? The correct answer is C. income statement. What do debits and credits affect in accounts? Is it A. revenue growth, B. accounting equation, C. cash flow, or D. asset management? The correct answer is B. accounting equation. What type of account is cash considered? Is it A. asset account, B. liability account, C. revenue account, or D. equity account? The correct answer is A. asset account. What is the primary purpose of auditing? Is it A. develop marketing strategies, B. verify financial statements, C. assess employee performance, or D. ensure tax compliance? The correct answer is B. verify financial statements. What reflects how much an organization owns? Is it A. revenue, B. assets, C. expenses, or D. liabilities? The correct answer is B. assets. What describes obligations an entity owes? Is it A. revenue, B. liabilities, C. equity, or D. assets? The correct answer is B. liabilities. Which financial statement shows changes over time? Is it A. statement of cash flows, B. profit margin, C. tax return, or D. balance sheet? The correct answer is A. statement of cash flows. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.